I would definitely say that affordability was a big factor, and honestly, it's the reason why I ended up committing to Monmouth in the first place. I originally had my entire deposit down at another university, and got an email from little old Monmouth College, and they said, "Hey, we can offer you this much more," and it was a game changer. And the fact that I am able to get my undergraduate degree for a price that I would have only thought was a dream has been a big, big difference, especially planning on going into continuing education. That gets really expensive. And I love the idea that I've been able to save and prepare myself for the future based on the financial aid and the scholarships that I've been given at Monmouth. And honestly, that's a consensus that I've heard from a lot of people is there are a lot of scholarship opportunities. Even if they're not the part of the package that you're given at the beginning of your time, there are so many more opportunities that really, really help and can make the difference in somebody's choice.